There are different methods and solutions for treating unsorted mixed waste. Our product solutions have the following advantages: evaluation of the local parameters, quick system setup and commissioning, on-site accompanying the customer post-commissioning, reacting flexibly and openly to changes, offering exemplary customer service long after the sale. This North Africa plant was commissioned in 2019 and focuses on the extraction of recyclable materials and the production of substitute fuels and compost. About 500 tons of municipal household waste are delivered daily to the two-shift operating facility. The waste is weighed and unloaded directly in front of the facility. The waste is visually checked and the oversized material is removed. The waste is then fed with a grabber to the feed hopper of an electrically operated shredder. To prepare the waste as best as possible for further mechanical treatment, a twin-shaft shredder is used at the beginning of the line, achieving a capacity of approximately 20 to 35 tons per hour. This powerful machine is also able to process difficult waste. The shredder opens all garbage bags, homogenizes the material for further optimal treatment and creates an even material flow with a defined upper size. Results are that recyclable materials are not destroyed and fines are kept to the minimum. The waste is torn, not cut, allowing trouble-free operation of the downstream system. The coarsely torn waste then reaches the patented anti-wrapping star screen, AWS for short, via two conveyor belts. The AWS with the separator screen width A 50 mm separates the low calorific value, mostly organic particles from the larger, mostly higher calorific value components. The screen width can be adjusted up to 120 mm as needed. The AWS separator outperforms conventional drum screens, especially when screening moist and sticky household waste. The sieve undersize drops to the ground below the sieve and is later fed to an open-air windrow composting facility. The sieve overflow then passes onto an wind sifter, which separates the material into a heavy and a light fraction. The heavy fraction is intended for landfill. The light high calorific value fraction or substitute fuel is transported to a sorting belt. In addition to quality control, recyclable materials are also sorted out manually. These include tin cans, PE and PET plastics, but also cardboard and cartons, which are dropped into the storage bays arranged below the sorting belt. The non-recyclable materials contained in the waste fall into a collection box at the end of the sorting line, with the aim of thermal energetical recovery. Organic material under 50 mm is composted in an open pile. The material or compost is turned and aerated by a tractor-pulled compost turner periodically, thus achieving an uniform quality compost without usual associated moisture nests. The composting time of 15 to 30 days depends on ventilation, input moisture, origin of the waste and the weather conditions. The composted material is then brought to a loading bunker for a post-composting step. The material in the bunker is sent to a compost screening line, where oversized materials and plastics are sifted out, thus achieving an optimal compost quality for use by local farmers. The screen overflow of the compost preparation also contains high calorific value components that can be marketed as substitute fuel. These two high calorific value fractions are then fed together into a baling press. The pressed bales are then picked up by the off-takers, such as the cement-producing industry, and used as substitute fuels. A further end product of the plant, cardboard and waste paper, are sorted, baled and handed over to waste paper recycling facilities. Tin cans, aluminum and other metals are also sold to local scrap dealers. The sorted out PE and PET plastic fractions are also transferred for recycling facilities. The plant has 15 different vehicles, such as loading tippers, transport trucks and grabbers. The entire plant is operated in two shifts with a staff of 12 persons per shift. A waste reduction of approximately 70% was obtained with the acquisition of this modern, high-quality, but nevertheless simple-to-operate waste treatment facility. This facility is an international example for a target-oriented waste treatment plant, tailored to local needs. Many years of experience in mechanical engineering and process design, as well as the high-quality production from Germany, are the guarantors for a well-functioning plant and a satisfied customer.